Hindi, hindi. 1, 2, 3, go! Actually, hinahabol talaga namin yung araw para maganda yung video. Yun yung katotohanan. Kaya nara-rush kami. Pero hindi, because it's wisdom. Okay? Right. So, I just want to tell you right now that God is you. Yes, you forgot about that. And I am here for you to remind that God is within you because you, yes, you create your own reality. Nakalimutan mo lang yan. Kinalimutan mo na. And I am here for you to remember that. You are unlimited. Kaya nga babaguhin ko na yung channel ko eh. Dun sa tagline, nakalagay dun. From meaning, dance, and wisdom. Ngayon, gagawin ko siyang spiritual, dance, and wisdom because my intuition is incredible. Yes, I can read energy. Yes, and I will be here for you to share you that gift. Kasi, sa conditioning na nangyari sa'yo, kinalimutan mo, nagkaroon na ng maraming fears, self-doubts, insecurities, lumiit ka, nag-shrink ka. When you believe something and you're coming from peace and love, believe that. That's you. Because you create your own reality, okay? Anything that invokes fear, control, judgment, kahit church pa yan. And you're not in peace, you don't feel the love, you feel panicking. I'm sorry to say, you don't have that kind of freedom. I am here for you to remember who you are. Remember to feel how life is. It's so amazing. You don't need anyone. You create your own life. Do you see how I do it? I create my own reality. I don't need any validation. I don't need to ask any permission. Okay? This is my life and I will do whatever the fuck I want. Okay? Alright, guys. I love the sun.